Welcome to the Swedish Maker. Wow, 100 subscribers. It might not sound much to you, but to me I'm just doing what I think is fun, and to have 100 subscribers feels amazing. It feels really good to be able to share what I do and that people like it. So thank you for that. I'll just continue posting and see what happens. So this week has been a non-productive week, I guess. It's not that I haven't done anything, but I haven't done any big projects. I did a pen case for my daughter in leather. It looks like this. So it's just a very basic leather pen case with a felt lining. And I fixed my 3D printer because we had people replacing our heating system, and I was stupid enough to start a 3D print while they were here, so it stopped when they turned the power off, of course, and I had to fix the printer. So I've done that as well. Anyways, as I was planning ahead for upcoming projects, I started thinking about creativity. So today I thought I would share some of my thoughts on creativity and also the secret to becoming creative. So stick around. So creativity is often misconceived as something meant for just some people. Well, that's not true. Everyone is creative, but many people think they are not. And as a result, I guess many people miss out on the fun of creating. So what is creativity really? Well, I think most people would agree with me in saying that creativity is the ability to think outside of the box and the ability to come up with new original ideas. So the secret behind creativity is really simple, I think. And you can actually use this to become more creative. So let me break it down. What is an idea, really? An idea is two old ideas put together. An idea is two old things put together. There are no completely new ideas. They're just old ideas put together. If you think I'm wrong, comment down below. But as an example, the wheel, some people might say, is an original idea. Well, it's not, because they used logs. And one day, one person thought, let's cut off the end of the log. It was the wheel, but that was just a combination of two ideas. What that means is a new idea is actually stealing two old ideas and putting them together. So instead of trying to come up with an entirely new idea, try instead to combine old ideas. For instance, take a cheese cutter and a butter knife. Put them together and see what happens. That's a new idea of two old ideas put together. It is in fact a terrible idea, but still it's a new idea. So just try to create something now. It doesn't need to be crazy good. Just try it out and see how you feel. Let me know in the comments. And when you have made something new, you're actually an inventor of some sorts. And how cool is that? Alright, go create something new, fix something that is broken, or just relax in front of Netflix and you might spawn a new idea. Who knows? Until next week, see you. Bye.